Hello everyone. This is with reference to the assignment given. After installing the package from the link given in the document, you need to set up a Visualforce tab. For that, click on Setup. Right tabs here, create tabs, create a new Visualforce tab, click on New, choose the Visualforce page accounts, give it a label. I'll say it as account map. Choose whatever you want, then choose the tab style, click on next, grant access to whatever profile you want. For me, I'll give it to everybody. I'll give it access to all the platforms and applications. So now we have this account map here. This account map Visualforce tab will open a Visualforce page which will serve all the needs which are mentioned in the document provided. Let's go ahead and click on the account map tab. So it will open a Visualforce page with a map. This map currently shows nothing as we haven't searched for anything. We have no results found. Please try again with some other search terms. Let's go ahead. For that, we need to create some accounts in our instance. Right now in my instance, I have two records. Both we have billing city as Kanpur and Rourkela and the country as India. So if we go here and search for anything, you can search for street, city, state, country or pin code. I'll search by country, let's say India, and click on search. So it will return all the records which have all the objects which have country as India. And another thing, when you hover on the markers, you'll get the name of the record, and when you click on it, a pop-up will appear with all the address information as well as the link to view the record. If you want to view the record, click on the link here and it will open the record for you. And this is what the billing address mentioned in the account. So this was the requirement. So if we want to search only by the postal code, let's go ahead and do it. We'll enter only the postal code. So it will search for all the accounts which have those postal codes and it will be marked on the map. And another thing, if you see, if I search for all the records in India, you'll see that it has markers as A and B, and the similar markers will be available on the map. You can link the record to view it. And the last thing was to get the directions from the current position to the account which we check. And I was creating a account wrapper for it, but since when I read in the requirements, it mentioned that when you click on the record, it should show up the map without clicking on any other button. So I've removed the wrapper class, which is still present in the code, but it's commented. I've reversed the logic and made it on click. So whichever account we want the location to, the directions to, just click on it. When I click on it, it will automatically redirect you to the account address. So my current location is 813 Kormangala 6 block, and it will reroute to me to the location of the account, which is in Uttar Pradesh. So whatever may be the condition, when you click on it, you will be shown the direction on the maps as well as the direction panel, which shows all the steps you need to take to reach the destination. Now you have an option to search again here, or you can go back to the previous search. Now let's go ahead and choose the other address. So this will again route me to the different address from my location to the different location which is here. So now we can either go back to the location, we can just roll over, we can choose satellite view, we can choose map view, all those usual stuffs which we can do in the map. And other thing is, we can either go back to the previous search and change the location, or you can search again here. Let's say I'll search for my city Kanpur, all the records accounts which have the city as Kanpur. Click on search. So it will return all the accounts with addresses which have city Kanpur. So again the similar stuff, click on the checkbox, you'll be routed to the direction panel, everything will be shown up. Thank you.